Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we talk about all things beauty and lashing. My name is Michelle Nguyen and I am the director of Lash Academy. Today we are going to show you a tutorial video of how to do a hydrogel mask while you doing an eyelash service. This is actually a question we get asked all the time because people go, oh, I want to add it on and make a little bit of extra money when I'm filling or doing a full set on my clients, but I'm worried how messy it's gonna be, what is the process of everything's gonna look like. So today I am going to perform a fill and a hydrogel mask on one of our model, Abby. She has beautiful lashes and gorgeous skin. We chose the Live Love Lavender Hydro Mask to put on her, and this will help with brown spot. This is actually one of my favorite mask, and it smells really is amazing. So hang for a second, let's kind of watch through this video. If you have any questions, let us know and enjoy.
Let's get started. Here we have Abby as our model and Michelle as the lash artist. After your client's lashes are washed and her face is cleansed, start by placing the eye pads. Michelle recommends misting the foam eye pads so that it is less sticky. This will help when it's time to remove them. Once the eye pads are placed, start mixing the hydrogel mask. Today, Michelle used the Live Love Lavender on Abby. First, measure 1 scoop of hydrogel mask powder and put it into the silicone bowl. Second, pour 3/4 of water in the same scoop and pour that over the hydrogel powder. Then, use a spatula to mix the mixture. Pro tip, start slow so the powder doesn't get everywhere. Start mixing quicker once the mixture is more combined, like so. When the consistency feels thick like jelly, quickly apply the mask to your client's face. Do make sure that the edges are thick and not thin. This will help when it comes time to remove the mask. This mask is our Live Love Lavender Mask. It is a soothing mask and it contains natural lavender petals and essential oil. It can smooth skin, improve skin condition, and add moisture to the skin. All PLA masks work for all skin types and contain all natural ingredients, no preservatives or parabens. Check out this mask and other masks on our website. After you finish applying the mask, wait about 5 minutes. Then touch the mask to see if it has dried. If it is dry to touch like this, then you can start a timer for 25 to 30 minutes. That is how long the mask will stay on your client. Once you have done that, you can start lashing your client. Michelle highly recommends resting your hands on your clients for stability during the service. Your hands may slip and the tweezer may scratch your clients if you are not doing so. The mask is solid and dry at this point, so it is okay to rest your hands. Once the timer goes off, stop your lashing process and begin taking off the mask. Lift the edges with your fingertips, like so. This will help loosen up the mask for an easy peel. Once the edges are loosened, you can start rolling the mask or peeling it off. Michelle prefers to roll because the whole mask will come off in one piece. Be careful around the eyes and the lash set. Rolling will actually help you control taking off the mask better. Once the mask is off the client's face, continue lashing like normal. And that's it.
Doesn't her skin look glowing? Absolutely glowing, and it smells amazing. So like you saw, it's not that hard to actually do an extra service like the hydrogel mask, add it on to your already existing, menu, and then do it with every fill that you have, with every, full set that you have. Is nice for your clients. It's really relaxing. They leave with like literally glowing skin and a beautiful set of lashes. Also, it smells really good. And one bonus part about that is I love it when I put the mask on, they don't talk during the service, and then it really allows me to concentrate on doing my set. Tons of my clients are like chitty chatty people, and it's just so hard, and sometimes they just not only talk but talk with their hands and all over the place, and it's hard for you to do eyelash extensions with it. So one little extra bonus. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful, and we have like a variations of mask on our website. I think we have like 7 or 8 different flavors, and then we have a starter kit, a sample packs where you can try them all until you find the one that you really love. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I'll see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so then you can get the notifications next time that we are on. And we'll see you around. Happy lashing.